My name is Dr.Layth G2 HHO. I would like to present for you my HHO generator unit for cars with gasoline or diesel up to 5,000 cc. It consists of two parts. Part one, which is the control part. This part is connected to the dashboard in front of the driver, and the second part is this part. This can be put at the rear of the car and connect both the gas to the engine. This part consists of the cell of HHO production and the coil for the cooling of the solution, and the power supply which supply the current to the cell and controlled by the control part, which is controlled by microcontroller, big microcontroller, and the store or the tank for the solution, and this is the damper. This damper smoothing the pulses of HHO generated by the cell to the bubbler and prevent returning of this solution, the water from bubbler to the tank here, so it will not be diluted. Also, we have two fans here for the cooling of the system. The display here showing us the pulse width modulation and the cell temperature and the cell amperes and the HHO liter per minute. So it is it's easy to know how much HHO going to the engine. Now I would like to show you that this unit will stop the action of this unit, but if the temperature raised up to 60 and more. So we have this cigarette, and this is the sensor of the temperature. Okay, now the temperature is going, it's rising. 40, 49, 48, you see, 55, 58. Now it's stopped. This is the sign that tells the driver that there is something happened with the temperature. So overheat, no HHO production, cell in off state, check water and fan. So this is the letter going to the driver. Now the water, if we add the water, now we see that no bubbles here. You see, no bubbles here. If we switch it off and switch it on again, we will see the bubbles, how it goes to the bubbler. Now we can see the bubbles coming up from the bubbler to the engine. Now the water, if the water is level is decreased in the tank, we open this cover and we add water here to give the level of the solution up to this sign when the unit is off, because when it's on, the level will come up, will rise up. Now I will show you the connection of the unit, you see, to the car battery. You see, it's up here, up here, up here. This is the battery, this is the positive, and this is the negative. Okay, so it is very easy to install this unit or this system to the car. This part will be at the rear of the car, in the rear box of the car, and this one it will be in the front of the driver. So I'm really happy now that I made it completely here in my house. In the future, very near future, I will show you another videos that this whole subject derived by three things. First, this unit. Second, the engine of the car. And third, the passenger present inside the car. Because we have to be secure with the using of this unit at any time. So thank you very much and see you later. Bye bye.